Hey people, let's continue with our affirmations journey. But before that, please don't forget to check the 5 add-ons that I have for you guys. All right. Uh, Participate in the challenge. There are some lifetime perks for you. Okay. Check the guide that will help you to understand the importance of affirmation and most importantly, how to do them effectively. Okay, and the other 3 add-ons as well. All right, so let's continue with the affirmations now. So the sixth one is I attract abundance effortlessly. All right, I attract abundance effortlessly. Seventh one is I trust the journey of life. I trust the journey of life. All right, and the eighth one is I'm growing stronger every day. I'm growing stronger every day. See you soon for more. Take care till then. Bye bye.